Hey guys, today I am taking a look at the Kiwi Ear ANC headphones. Let's open up the box and see how they work. Nice carrying case. Instructions, cables, here's the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. The Ardor headphones introduces high-fidelity wireless audio as it features Bluetooth 5.4. which offers ultra-low latency with an 8 to 10 meter signal range. And also the ability to connect to two devices simultaneously. And so it's perfect for any gamer on the go. Professionals or students who need to connect to both a computer and a phone simultaneously, this will help improve efficiency with seamless device switching. It's perfect for users who seek high-resolution sound quality with a focus on balanced tuning and detailed audio reproduction. Its spatial audio helps enhance immersion in movies and streaming content, and it delivers a premium feature at only $99. Plus, its lightweight and foldable design and vegan leather ear pads provide ultimate comfort and portability with extended use, whether you're traveling, working, gaming, or just relaxing. It also comes with this sleek and durable carrying case that can help protect it from drops and scratches. And it can also fit into any bag, so you can take it anywhere. The headphones feature a custom hybrid ANC noise cancelling system with a 5 microphone array, reducing outside ambient noise by up to 35 decibels for a flawless listening experience. The noise cancellation can also help block outside noise such as traffic or a busy room. It features a coaxial dual dynamic driver setup, delivering powerful bass, natural mids, and perfect treble, giving you an expanded soundstage for a more immersive listening experience. They offer up to 140 hours of audio playback with ANC off and up to 72 hours with ANC on. And it only takes 10 minutes to charge them up for 8 hours of music with the included USB-C cable. They also support USB playback, enabling high-resolution music via its built-in DAC and AMP chipset for higher and seamless sound quality across Apple, Android, and Windows devices. And you can also plug in an aux cable for higher quality wired sound. And the Kiwi Ears don't have a dedicated app, however the app is under development and will be launched soon, offering more personalized audio adjustment features to enhance the user experience. So keep an eye out for that. The headphones are tuned to audiophile standards so you can experience balanced and natural sound. And so yeah, I definitely recommend checking out the Kiwi Ear headphones today. And you can check them out in the link below. See you.